Hi, it's Brian Resney, question and answer day. And of course, a lot of questions coming around. How does an investor look for more yield? I'll tell you the simple answer. You're not going to find it. Interest rates are substantially down. You're looking at the 10-year Treasury somewhere around 1.7%. And at the end of the day, if you chase yield, trying to find investments that yield substantially more than a couple percent, 2 to 3%, it's really not going to happen. I can tell you that the dynamics of interest rates, dividends, and or interest that you saw from 10 or 20 years ago is not going to be here for the next 10 or 20 years, or maybe even longer than that. So investors need to change their focus away from pure income to growth and income. You are not going to find quality investments that are paying 4, 5, 6, 7% interest. It's just not going to happen. If you start stretching for yield and you're chasing things, as I've talked before, much more than 3 to 4% yield, you're probably going into very risky, dangerous investments that are probably even far riskier than the equity-based market in a recession, meaning your investments could drop 50, 60, 70%. I see investors chasing all kinds of investments out there that are basically paying a little bit more than treasuries, but basically have risks that are associated maybe 2 or 3 times in our opinion. So if you are yield hungry, look for total return, growth, and income. If you're looking just for dividend or interest income and you are chasing yield, you're going to get burned. I've been managing money for almost 30 years, and I can tell you, when I see investors thinking that they're buying safe income investments, you're not. Investments that are paying more than 3 to 4% dividend or income streams are suspect and are probably far riskier than you realize and can drop substantially, even up to 50 or 60%. So don't chase yield. Make sure you have a well-diversified portfolio. And if you're looking for real risk management, call Resney Wealth Management. We're here to help you manage your portfolio for a safe and secure retirement.